Hey everyone, today I am going to show you a quick trick to enhance your bass using Tonelux Tilt by Softtube and Harmonics Saturation by Softtube. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration. I'm gonna enable tilt, increase that to a couple of dBs. Set up our shape. We'll open harmonics. We'll keep our dynamics on because we want to increase our transient content, and we'll push that to 1.5 dBs. We'll set that to transformer and slightly push the character up. Set our drive to 5.8. We'll reduce our dry and wet dial to 75%, and we are ready to listen to it. Here's before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.